This simple guide will show you how to enter an eBay gift card code. Whether you've received a gift card as a present or you've purchased one yourself, redeeming it is a straightforward process. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can start shopping with your gift card balance in no time. First, you'll want to begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to eBay's official website by typing in ebay.com. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, take a moment to log into your account if you haven't already. This step ensures that your gift card balance is applied correctly to your purchases. Next, it's time to search for the product you're interested in buying. Simply use the search bar at the top of the homepage to enter the name or description of the item you're looking for. After typing in your desired product, hit Enter on your keyboard. This will display a list of relevant items for you to choose from. Once you have your search results, browse through the options and select the item you would like to purchase. Click on the product to go to its detailed listing page. Here you'll find more information about the item, including the seller's details and customer reviews, which can help you make an informed decision. Now that you're on the product page and ready to buy, look for the Buy It Now button. Clicking this button will take you directly to the purchase page, bypassing the auction process. This option is perfect if you want to secure the item immediately without any bidding. After you've clicked Buy It Now, you'll be directed to a new page where you can review your order details. Here, you need to scroll down until you find the section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. This section is crucial as it's where you'll enter your eBay gift card code. In the Gift Cards and Coupons section, you'll see a field to enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears, ensuring there are no mistakes in the characters or sequence. Once you've entered the code, click the Apply button. This action will validate your gift card and apply the balance to your purchase. If the code is valid, you'll see the gift card amount deducted from your total, reducing the amount you need to pay. If there's an issue with the code, double-check that you've entered it correctly and that the gift card hasn't expired or been used previously. And that's it! You've successfully entered your eBay gift card code and applied it to your purchase. With these steps, you can enjoy shopping on eBay using your gift card balance, making your shopping experience more enjoyable and cost-effective. Remember, you can repeat these steps whenever you have a new gift card to redeem. Happy shopping!